Well, we got some tannerite. 2 pounds.
We're on a hill here.
We got an old dryer. We got an old dryer. Buddy donated for this video. We're going to try to blow it up, see what happens. There you go. That's it.
Science. Science.
There it is. We've only shot the half-pound containers before, and so 2 pounds. We think it might do a little something.
Oh yeah, that's getting gray.
I hate that stuff.
Alright.
Somebody might call the fire department.
Well, we have the fire department.
That should be good. That orange will be a good target. Alright.
Let's do it.
Next step, back away.
Oh.
My gosh. Oh my God. Well,
That just sent a wave down the creek.
You think anybody's calling the law yet?
That was a boom right there. And I mean a boom.
2 pounds of tannerite, that'll do it.
That'll, if you need your damn washing machine blown up or gone, and not even have to worry about a dumpster trip.
Gosh. Well, here we are.
At the crash site.
At the ground zero. It just does this metal like it's paper. Folded, rippled, spread out everywhere.
I don't see how the container stayed in.
We'll clean her all up. Good night. That stuff is not to be played with. Which is exactly what we're doing.